everybody, and welcome to the channel. There's kitty cat number 1. Kitty cat number 2 is actually on the perch in the family room. If you do hear birdies chirping, we do not have birds in our house. It's just the kitty cat TV that my kitty cats watch. Queen Bee is doing her thing and her house, and I'm just lucky to be here. So anyways, today we are unboxing our FabFitFun box. This is my paid for box. I'm a little delayed on getting this box up to you guys, so my apologies on that. It's been sitting here. Life be lifing. If you guys didn't know, I feed the stray kitty cats. She was one of the strays that we adopted about 2 years ago. And then Mr. Buddy Boo Ween found us October 30th, and so we adopted him. So when I say life be lifing, on top of that, my son was traveling internationally, so there was a lot of stuff going on. Anywho, now I can sit and focus on filming over here on this channel again. If you guys didn't know, I do have another channel, actually 2 other channels. Hotmess in the House, where I do a lot of health and wellness, chatting about my type 2 diabetes and being on a GLP-1 and taking peptides, and I will be starting school here in a few months for functional medicine. So I'm super excited to bring what I am learning over to that channel. And then of course I have a fashion try-on channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I am constantly busy over there doing a bunch of different try-on hauls and everything, so definitely join me. Let's go ahead and jump in. This is actually the FabFitFun winter box, and like I said, I did pay for this myself. The nice thing with FabFitFun is you do get to customize your box, and I love that because everything that I am customizing was my choice, my picks, my wants. It's not just makeup, skincare, beauty. It's also lifestyle. It's also like workout. Like there's a whole slew of different things you can choose when it comes to FabFitFun, and that's what I think definitely makes it a unique box. Keep in mind, these are my picks. These may not be your picks. So first and foremost, okay, this is just like a funny little backstory when it comes to the socks. I live in Kentucky. It is flipping like 30 or 40 degrees today. All right, so when I say I get so excited to see these floofy warm socks by Unhide, yeah, I get very excited over that. That's always going to be one of my top choices. On top of that, I do have sensory processing disorder, so I am very particular about my socks, the seam of the socks, the feel of the socks. It's a whole situation. The funny story behind it is, you guys know my bestie Jody and I was talking about like, oh my gosh, I love the advent calendar. It was like whatever, the last day or something had the Unhide socks, and I said those were my absolute favorite, and she was like, what? I'm like, girl, you live in Florida, your feet sweat. I am chilly, cold, and freezing my patootie off here in Kentucky. So yeah, when I saw that we could get a 2-pack of these in the winter choice, I said immediately add to box. So nice thing too when it comes to FabFitFun is you can also shop. I've downloaded the app. I check the app often. I've noticed they are constantly adding things to the shop that you can purchase at a huge discount. Next in here, I picked up, I think these were like a slipper. Nice thing about my brain is it's like Christmas every day. Perimenopause, you know how that be. Brain fog. I just call it rebooting. My brain is rebooting. Give me 7 to 10 business days. Oh my gosh, these are so much nicer than I expected. All about cute, cozy, and comfy. I love these. It's so funny, I just did a Quince haul, and I hauled their waterproof, they're called clogs or something, very similar to this, only leather with a little buckle. They look like a Birkenstock, and I said, oh, I think I need to pick up another pair so I can have a house shoe. I forgot that I chose this in my FabFitFun box, so guess what? I have my nice little house shoe. And the reason being with the clogs from Quince is it has that nice hard sole to go outside. So yeah, of course, you could definitely wear these outside if you wanted to. But yeah, I definitely will be wearing these inside. These are so nice. You can tell they're nice and cozy and comfortable. Like there's definitely a vibe. This is like, so far, I would just be happy with these 2 things. And I did go ahead and go with a size 8. And they fit perfect. Oh my gosh, these are so cozy. These are perfect for the winter time. One thing about me when it comes to FabFitFun, the whole reason that I signed up is because 1, you can do the shopping and you can do like Christmas shopping, but 2, you get such a good assortment that sometimes I will pick things knowingly to gift later down the road. Next in here, I I picked out pajamas. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the Honey Dew. I was all about comfort on making these picks. I am cracking up. So this is by the brand Honey Dew. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking nice and soft. I did go with a size small, medium. These are so freaking cute. See, now how many subscription boxes are you able to customize? Get yourself cozy PJs, 2 pairs of cozy socks, and a pair of like slippers. So it's elastic waist with a true drawstring, buttery soft material I love. And it is a button down long sleeve top. I'm loving this. All right, next in here, I did pick out, by Skylar, the Vanilla Sky perfume. I was so excited to see that this was a choice. Anything with vanilla and perfumes, I love that. Let's put some on. Is it a rollerball? Oh yeah. So this is going to be great for travel. Hold on, let's let it dry. Okay, this smells really nice, but if you want a perfume that smells just absolutely delicious vanilla, I highly recommend Kylar. It's like CKYLAR, I do believe. Yeah. This one smells good, but this has a little bit more of like a musk scent to it. I like it, but I like more of that like candy scent. Maybe that will start to come out as I wear it. But if you are looking for like more of like a candy vanilla with a hint of musk, I would recommend the Kylar one, which I will try and remember to link it down below. Like I said, this smells nice. I love that it's a rollerball. I can throw it right into my purse. I also could get very easily through TSA with this because as far as the ounce, it looks like it is 0.33 fluid ounces. But like I said, it's like a clean vanilla with a hint of musk. It's nice. All right, this one is going to be random, but I thought I would try. I'm very funny with my panties, but I thought I would try it because I did see the Honey Dew had really good reviews on their panties. So I did go ahead and pick them up. They're cotton panties. And it's a 2-pack. I did not pick the thong. I did not. I most definitely would not have picked the thong. I guess I accidentally picked the thong. Ooh, it's a 3-pack. Ah, that's a bummer. Well, maybe they're comfortable. I mean, as far as the material feels really comfortable. I mean, my husband will appreciate the thongs. So sorry, but I'm about me, myself, and I when it comes to my comfort in my panties. So we'll see. I don't know. I swear I thought I picked out the other one, so that kind of bums me out. All right, and then last in here, I picked out some jewelry. Oh, I picked out earrings. Are they heavy? No, I think they're gonna be light. So this is what the earrings look like. I did get them in gold. You could choose between gold and silver, and you can see they have little cubic zirconia in there too to get that extra little sparkle. These are really cute. Yeah, they definitely feel like they're gonna be hopefully on the light side. I have sensitive ears, so for me, I have to make sure that my earrings are light. Oh, these are great. Oh, I really like them. Okay, I'm gonna wear them. I've been looking for new, like, everyday earrings. I don't necessarily think these are everyday earrings by any means. They're pretty doggone adorable, are they not? I like those. Oh, I like those so much. Okay, let's put these over here. I need to put them where I won't lose them, but my cats won't take them. I mean, I will say my cats are pretty good, but you never know with them. They're chasing each other right now, so they could get a little naughty. Alright, so that is everything, and honestly, I need to go back and check my picks because I swear I'm so bummed about the panties. Like I said, at least they're cotton and everything, and the lace is really nice and soft, so we shall see. I swear they had, maybe I just misread. That's totally possible. So, but overall, everything else I'm very, very happy and pleased with, and I am very much pleasantly surprised when it comes to these earrings. I think these are sharp. So, Anyways, friends, that is all for my little FabFitFun unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. Did you pick out any of the same things? And I think my highlight is definitely going to be these and this, and definitely the PJs. Yeah, and as the perfume has lasted, it does smell really nice, but I really think you guys will like the Kyler better. So anyways, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to check me out on my other channels. Of course, I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and LTK at Hotmess Momma 04. And until next time, as always, kisses from Bye.
Looking out with no parachute.